Okay, guys. So recently I did a trip. I didn't post the video yet, but on the last moment, I found I lost one of these nuts. I didn't find the match, but I found the one of those in Home Depot at the store, hardware store, anyone. And then the one is hard to find is this. So I found it on Amazon. So if you have a problem like me, you lose this one somewhere. Now hide the replacement.
I'm going to leave the link on the video description for the roller bushing. Always check for loose nut or screws.
So you just wanted to make it go inside. See, there you go. I need to get another new one. The other one is here. So now I have the washer. This is the original. This is the aftermarket. So I found this a lot better. So I want to get this installed. I want to keep the original, and the other side I want to install the other. But important thing, you have to apply some thread lock. This is orange, but anyone you prefer. This one I have for the other screws for this. This one I get loose before, so I tight. On this screw bigger one, I already apply. So this is in case. Always you have to keep looking for the loose screws, loose something. So here is how looks the other one. Okay. I want to apply the orange thing too. Now, no, yeah, we are fine.
If my video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and help me to reach my first 1,000 subscribers. At the end of video, I'm going to show you what I'm doing for the next adventure on the scooter, and I lost the bushing and nut.
So I'm gonna post at least a little bit where I'm doing when I lost one of the nuts. So stay tuned and check it out.
De Los Ángeles el asfalto arde, cazadores de sueños bajo luces cobardes, haciendo piruetas en el que sin alarde, mi historia en las calles, un ritmo que no tarde.